Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
That's the law of the jungle, and injured superstars like a wounded animal. It's survival of the fittest.
And that also means that if you're not at 100%, you've got to be able to hide it from your opponent.
That's absolutely right. This business is as psychological as it is physical. You can't let your opponents think you're easy pickings.
Well, I wouldn't consider any of these superstars to be easy pickings, no matter how beaten up they get.
It's crazy to think that we actually get paid to do a job like this.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Here's why you don't want to get into the ring with this guy.
He's applied the master lock, and now he's cinching it up.